sa ano gusto mo.
Yeah.
Mm. Vera.
O hindi. So, ang sarap kaya no. Oh my God, ang sarap kaya ng dugo.
My favorite is isaw. I love isaw. Isaw
ng baboy?
and...
O isaw ng manok?
Actually, I prefer the manok.
The manok one?
I prefer the manok one.
Oh. But me, I
not
prefer...
fried. I don't want it fried.
the
I want it grilled and it's like sweet.
Really? Ako naman, like, I prefer oinky isaw.
Oinky?
Baboy!
Baboy. Okay. Yeah, I also like puwet din, yung puwet ng chicken. So good. It's so good kaya I went to LU. What, bro? Are you laughing? No, guys. Okay, Kasi, wow, your mind's so dirty, guys. Grabe.
Ate kasi?
Ang dirty. Puwet ng chicken.
Hindi
Okay, di ba?
Pwede preno muna tayo.
Hindi diretso eh.
Sabi ko, I also like the puwet ng baboy. Hindi ba common yung puwet sa tusok-tusok?
Bigla na lang, kasi gusto ko yung
not tusok sa barbecue. I like puwet talaga ng chicken.
Wala man lang yung parang like preno onte. Like, sa kanya, I also like puwet.
May masama ba kung gusto ko ng puwet? Ng chicken?
Hindi ba pwedeng like, yung pwedeng muna tayo, pause muna tayo saglit. My God.
Anyway, kasi I was in LU, diba? And then there was one time after drinking, my friends and I went to Ihaw Ihaw. It was me, Hero, and Melan. We ordered isaw ng baboy, isaw ng manok, pork barbecue, chicken barbecue, puwet ng chicken, atay, grilled oysters. It's so good.
Kumakain ka ng
Puwet
Adidas?
talaga, ang sarap.
Kumain ka ng Adidas?
Yeah.
I think hindi siya available noon, but I do naman.
Adobong Adidas is the best.
Yeah.
Have you tried it?
No, I've tried I've tried.
That's not guys.
20
Ang
points, 20 na tao ko.
Ang
27-7 yung points daw, guys. Yung comments na dito. 27-7.
Nakakainis ang mga comment talaga natin.
gusto ko talaga na ihaw is balon-balunan.
What's that? Denise, I love you more. Ano yan?
Hindi mo balon-balunan? Gizzard, girl.
Gizzard. Ako, I also like, chorizo. Ay, yung chorizo na sa ihaw.
Wait, what?
There is, bro.
Are you okay?
Meron yan, guys. There's
talaga?
chorizo minsan yung yung... Meron, di ba?
Wait lang. If I'm not mistaken, chorizo is not...
Thank you, Mama Merge. I love you.
Naman loob, right?
Meron, alam mo, ginagaslight niyo ako dito,
Meron
Kanina pa
ba?
kayo, ginagaslight niyo ako,
Chorizo?
Chorizo is longganisa, right?
Oo, di ba?
Yeah, something like that. Basta it's like, it's in a casing. And then it's like bola, then it's in a stick. Thank you, Tristan, and then they grill it. That's so good too.
Is that Cebu chorizo?
Hindi ko alam. Meron naman sa LU when you went. But really, my favorite talaga is like even...
It's an Ilonggo thing daw.
May Ilonggo thing ba?
Oh.
Ay, yung puwet ba? That's an Ilonggo thing ba? Kasi hindi masyadong common yung mga puwet dito. I really like eating the puwet. That's not ng chicken! Guys, ano ba? Kasi ito, in Iloilo, we just say iwi or puwet. Like, people know na. No one's gonna assume na puwet talaga, bro. Ano ba? Ikaw kasi, Sai.
Wait, hindi ako
Puwet ng chicken. Okay? Puwet
Huwag ka na
ng
magsalita.
chicken.
No, kasi the thing is, di ba usually yung mga iniihaw-ihaw, laman loob siya. That's why the chorizo is unfamiliar.
Alam mo, ang hilig mo sa puwet.
Ako? Hindi talaga. Sa puwet ng chicken, bro.
Sabi ng
Dati available siya sa Mang Inasal. I order it palagi. hinahanap ko yung puwet palagi.
Paldeyot,
Sarap,
paldeyot,
bro.
paldot,
Ng chicken. Okay, chicken. Okay.
paldeyot, paldot.
Before everyone screen records and edits, lagyan niyo sa caption ng chicken, okay? Hindi ko sinasabi na gusto ko yung puwet, gusto ko yung puwet ng chicken to eat it. Okay, yun lang.
Ate, 2:30 na.
Dead na ako. It's iwi.
Ano yung paldeot?
Ano na?
They said that's what they call it daw. Sa
Ang aggressive naman.
Proben tawag sa amin. Is proben puwet? No
No.
Proben is the other part of the chicken, di ba? Na parang ano ba?
Well, I want ihaw na. I want ihaw.
Oh my God.
Guys, by the way, nag-dinner kami ni Ellie and Hero sa... What is it again in Taft, Ellie? Yung ihaw place? Ha?
Sinuhog ni Ben.
Tinuhog ni Benny?
Yes.
Sige, sobrang sarap. Like,
Sinuhog ni Waki.
ang sarap talaga, bro. Pero wala silang puwet ng chicken. Sad.
Hindi ko naman seryoso mga pinagsasabi dito.
Mais.
Can you stop? I cannot.
Why? Parang chicken? Ano ba? But anyway, yeah, yung favorite... Okay, I have a question. Very important too. Ano yung favorite inasal place nyo?
What?
Inasal place. Chicken inasal na place.
Manginasal talaga.
Ako, mang inasal talaga.
Ako,
Mang inasal from Iloilo.
Mang Inasal or JT's?
I tried JT's na but I was like,
Iba yung mang inasal eh. Iba.
I know. Iba naman din talaga yung Mang Inasal stop here. Pero like,
Yeah.
second ko kasi is JT's. Third ko yung Bacolod. Bacolod?
walang inasal talaga.
Yeah, or Aidas. Aidas din. Guys, sorry controversial opinion to, pero I love mang inasal. Like, feel ko yun yung best sa restaurant.
The best. Lalo pag may dugo nakasama.
Ate?
Hindi kasi, like, ganito walang palya. Like, pag umorder ko lagi ng PM1, lagi may pag iniwa ko yun, lagi may kasamang dugo.
Kasi may dugo lagi siya.
Diba? May dugo lagi.
Kala ko naman yung dugo na ano talaga, beta mak.
May dugo na parang sumasama pa minsan sa kanin.
Ako gusto ko talaga yung chicken oil nila. And then I'm gonna... Okay, ito
Ano
yung recipe ko.
almoranas?
Mang inasal recipe ko So, always on ni rice. I get the chicken, put it aside.
Alam ko na yung gusto ni bro.
Ano?
Puwet na may dugo.
Kadiri ko talaga.
Mura na si ate talaga.
Almoranas.
Wait.
Wait, I can...
What do you like most sa Mang Inasal?
Let me finish kasi my mang inasal recipe, bro. Okay. So first, the chicken, I mix it with soy sauce and chicken
Na may
oil.
dugo.
So flavored na yung rice. And then on top of my chicken, I put chicken oil, soy sauce, konting suka. And then on the sauce, I put
Happy 1.1 love.
and sila.
Na may dugo.
Ang sarap.
Suka? Ba't suka?
I put suka. I like suka talaga. Suka, and you mix it with sila and calamansi and soy sauce.
Ikaw, Ellie, ano?
For me kasi, my favorite talaga in Mang Inasal is the sabaw.
Oh, the sabaw's good.
Sabaw is the best talaga for me. Like, nothing to beat talaga. I'm like, oh my God.
Yeah.
Almost as good as the puwet ng chicken.
You, Sai, what's your favorite,
Ako, ang lagi ko talagang like, yung pinaka gusto kong sarap na sarap talaga ako. Like,
Puwet.
gusto ko
Ng chicken kasi!
ang hilig mo sa sarap na sarap ka sa talaga. Sa puwet. Nakakain.
Dirty mind talaga. Why are you blushing, Sai? Why are you blushing?
No, I'm not. So yun, ang favorite ko talaga.
Why
Like,
are you red? You're
nagigets ko si Waki. Like,
Why
suka,
are you red?
toyo.
Sai, answer me. Why are you so red right now, bro?
Natatawa kasi ako sa sinasabi ko.
Talking about me liking puwet so bad. Why are you so red?
Uy.
Elio, natatawa tayo sa sinasabi niya, di ba? Like, he keeps on saying puwet.
True.
Okay, continue.
Okay, na, pwede na ako magsalita.
I'll say iwi na lang. Iwi.
So yun, kasi ang gusto ko talaga, like, suka, toyo, kalamansi. Tapos, yung suka, toyo, kalamansi, minsan sinasabaw ko siya sa rice.
Yeah, that's so good.
Toro.
Yeah, ang sarap talaga.
May suka talaga, no?
Yeah. Pero depende naman sa'yo.
Pero alam nyo ngayon, guys, hindi na libre yung suka sa mga inasal.
Wait, parang hindi libre.
Share ko lang, hindi na siya libre. Guys, defend me.
Yeah.
Like, when you ask for suka now sa mga inasal, you have to pay.
Yeah.
Bago yun. Like,
Ang
siguro
na
like,
lang ngayon ay chicken oil.
this year na lang,
Toyo
this year
mansi.
yun. Iba na.
Toyo mansi.
I think free pa rin yun, pag limited.
Pero I don't get it. Why yung suka may bayad?
Yeah, but actually, feel ko nga, dapat yung chicken oil yung may bayad eh. Kasi,
Di ba yung chicken oil kasi yung medyo parang...
yung premium.
Oo, parang
Pero
gano'n.
yung suka, di na siya libre.
Wait, di magdadala na ako ng suka.
Dala lang tayo ng pinakurat.
Oh my God, bro, I love pinakurat.
I love pinakurat talaga. So good. Favorite ko yun. The
I love
best.
pinakurat.
You know pinakurat? It's like spice vinegar, pero like super long na and super tagal na yung...
The
Parang siyang pinrolong na suka.
Yeah.
Sobrang sarap nun.
one with like garlic.
Garlic, chilies, onion.
Parang hindi. May ganun ba yun? Oo.
Yeah.
Pero alam mo ba, minsan kapag walang available na pinakurat dito, parang ginagawa ko, alam mo yung bawang, sinuslice ko yung bawang, tapos nalagyan ko yung suka, tapos I let it sit. Tapos, sobrang na, I'm craving tuloy. Inom na ako ng suka mamaya.
Midnight craving, suka.
Suka. Oh, you know what? Like suka tsaka toyo. Ito meron ako, ewan ko kung super weird neto. Pero sinasawsaw ko yung hotdog sa suka tsaka toyo.
Ako, can I be honest na I put
Really?
suka on everything. Like,
Oh my
same
God.
dude. Ako, I love suka talaga to the point where kahit adobo, I put suka. Everything, bro. Everything talaga.
No, promise. Oh my God, hear me out. Ayokong suka, toyo, hotdog is the best.
Pero di ko pa na-try yun. Pero guess ko yung lahat nilagay mo ng suka. I'm like that din.
Sobrang sarap nun. Alam nyo kapag wala
The thing is, controversial take. I don't like suka.
Wait, no way.
Negative 10 points.
You know what I love?
10. Sorry, Ellie. Sorry, Ellie, but
Ellie,
negative
circle
10.
that for tonight.
You know what I love is toyo talaga. Sinasabaw ko sa kanin yun, kaya ko sa kainin.
Ako for me, if I make my sauce sa sauce place, always a lot of suka and konting toyo.
Ako, it's toyo talaga. It's toyo. I love toyo.
Oh my God.
Parang toyo din.
Parang toyo, kaya ko talaga siyang ulam.
Binagkain tayo.
Tocino. Minsan sa tocino nga
Suka, oh my
Toyo.
God. So good.
Tocino. With garlic.
The best talaga yung breakfast foods with suka. Tapa, chorizo, longganisa, tocino, bangus. Oh my
Pero, how about like, Nor seasoning?
Ha?
Sarap naman. I like Nor seasoning.
Di ako
I like
ina.
Nor seasoning with fish. With bangus.
Really? I like it talaga. I put it on eggs. Matoyo talaga ako.
Ako, I'm a hot sauce din. Like, dati when I cook breakfast, laging may hot sauce or sriracha yung eggs ko first thing in the morning. Gusto ko talaga yung spicy.
How about ketchup?
Hindi ako
Ketchup.
sobrang picky ako sa ketchup. Gusto ko, ayoko ng banana ketchup. Gusto ko tomato ketchup.
Heinz. The best.
Gusto ko banana ketchup.
What?
Pero kumakain naman din ako ng banana ketchup. It's just, siguro kapag may tomato ketchup, mas tomato ketchup ako.
I'm a fan ng banana.
Do you put ketchup on almost everything?
No. Wait, what?
Like let's say hot dog, spam.
Sinigang with ketchup? May comment dito.
Yeah, sinigang with ketchup. Uy, masarap yun. Try mo
Ano
yun.
ba yun?
Please, itry nyo, masarap. Like, please.
As in, tomato ketchup?
Like, any kinds of ketchup.
Crazy.
So, kung hindi, oh my God, I'm saying the truth. Pinagawa sa amin yun ni Kuya Ben.
Ito, na-try nyo ba yung corned beef na may sabaw?
What's sabaw?
Oh my gosh, I slept over at Cholo's condo like last week. I woke up, he was cooking breakfast. Sabi ko, what are you cooking? Sabi niya, sabaw bro. Sabi ko, okay, sabaw. Then I saw him put corned beef in a pot of water. And then he boils it and then adds toyo, garlic, onion, ketchup. Party soup siya.
Okay naman. Akala ko kasi, as in, dalagin mo lang ng
Masarap siya, in fairness.
Usually naman pala kasi.
Naging sabaw yung... Actually, masarap siya.
How about tuyo and champurrado?
I like toyo and champurrado.
Or danggit and champurrado? Like anything
I like
with
it.
salty.
Galunggong.
siya.
Galunggong and
Masarap siya.
champurrado.
Yeah, galunggong with champurrado. I like galunggong.
Yeah. I like the salty and sweet.
Wait, how about like pancit bihon, suka and toyo?
We have?
I think that's normal though kasi may toyo naman talaga yung bihon, di ba?
Like, hindi, I mean, di ba, pag yung bihon, okay na siya, luto na siya. Tapos mag-mix ka ng suka and toyo. Tapos yung suka and toyo, ilalagay mo sa bihon. Like, ipupour mo
Hindi
talaga.
ko pa na-try pero I feel ko masarap yun.
Masarap, seryoso.
Really?
Yeah. O hindi kanton yun. It's bihon. Yung maninipis yung yung noodle.
Like gisadong bihon?
Yeah. Lalagyan mo siya ng suka. Oh my God, ang sarap. Try it.
I
Ayaw
think
ni
I
Simon
feel like it would be good kasi it's gisado eh.
Actually, I don't like gravy din, guys. I'm not a gravy person din. Like, every time sa Jollibee, I don't put gravy.
I'm a gravy person.
Ay, hindi rin ako mag-gravy eh.
Me too.
Okay talaga kayo.
Alam mo, Ellie, parang kang si Bella, wag na.
Hindi ako, may certain ako na gravy na kinakain talaga, which is yung sa Pwede ba magsabi ng ano dito?
Pwede daw.
Finger licking good na gravy. That's my...
Gusto ko talaga yun.
Pero yung ibang mga gravy, like for yung Yabi, ganon. No, hindi. Nahihilo talaga ako.
Really?
Yeah, nahihilo ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit.
What else pa ba ang controversial food date?
What about ampalaya? Ako, I love ampalaya.
Sorry po, I don't eat
Love ampalaya.
I love ampalaya. Ampalaya and talong. Okay, ensaladang talong.
Yeah, ensaladang talong.
Yeah. And sila ng mangga also.
Ensaladang talong is the best.
Kinilaw na fish. What? That's my favorite because it's like fish and suka. Like,
Kinilaw na talaba.
Oh, sarap din. Anything na kinilaw, I love. That's my favorite. Oh my gosh, guys.
Talaba.
Kinilaw na tanige. Pork belly, grilled pork belly, and garlic butter rice. Oh, shit.
Sarap.
Literally felicitos, girl.
Ang sarap. Like, I could eat talaba for the rest of my life.
I love talaba. Talaba and pork.
Just with lemon. Lemon, arte. With lemon. Ang sarap. Pero, ito. Sardinas with calamansi.
Yes, but
Yes.
I have an even better one. Calamansi and mayonnaise. Promise, itry nyo. Dati, when I first moved to Manila, yun yung struggle meal ko. Guys, believe me, yung corned beef na may oil, sardines na may oil, and then you put mayonnaise, konting mayonnaise and rice. Guys, ang sarap!
My God, I can't imagine.
No, it's like creamy, salty. Ang sarap, gago.
Hindi kasi ako nagme-mayonnaise, so baka hindi.
Sarap siya.
Yeah.
Guys, try nyo. At yun,
Eto.
so yun yung recipe ko if yung kay Fukarat is mayo, cheese whiz, and corn tuna, yung sa akin is sardines and mayo, and yung oil ng sardinas. Ang sarap. Try nyo. Okay, go. Continue.
Walang makakatalo sa rice with milk ko.
With?
Milk. Powder milk. Uy, alam mo, oh my God. Minsan nga, there was a time na kumakain, na wala talagang makain. Tapos, parang nagpunta
Hindi ba Milo yun?
Hindi, rice, powder milk, and konting sugar.
So ano yung ulam?
Yeah.
Dessert siya.
Ay, hindi. Ewan ko. Basta yun. Combination yun. Hot rice, powder milk, and then konting asukal na it's either pula or white na asukal.
Oh my
Pero
God.
feeling ko normal lang yun eh. Feeling ko hindi yan controversial. Dapat controversial talaga na food combo.
Huh?
Wala ka ba? Winner talaga yung sardines and mayonnaise, guys. Try nyo. Ang sarap talaga.
How about, the saging in pochero?
Oh, my favorite. Saba. Like, it's saba, right?
I don't like it.
Oh my gosh. Guys, banana in estofado or banana in pochero. Oh, my favorite.
What's pochero?
Pochero is like,
Pochero
parang
is
siyang afritada.
No, it's not. It's
No?
like sinigang na hindi sour.
Sinigang?
It's like sweet.
but it's
version of
color.
sinigang.
It's color orange, di ba?
What? No, pochero is like white.
Huh?
Yeah.
Baka that's the Ilonggo version of pochero.
Maybe it is.
No?
May isa dito. Kanin, ketchup, and milk. Putang ina.
Oh.
Marty's crackling and rice.
Yes. Yes. Go.
Na-try nyo ba yan? Gabi, yun yung
Yeah.
totoong struggle meal talaga.
I used to eat like chichirya talaga with rice. Even clover and rice.
Clover and rice!
Yes!
Yeah!
Alam mo yung
Rice.
cracklings.
Clover.
Oh, yung crackers, yung mas maasim, yung mas mabaho.
Clover.
Sarap.
My God.
Yung bangus na kiss.
Yeah!
Kinasal,
Yung Shanghai.
yung kinasal.
Yung lumpiang ano ba yun? Yung
Kulay
lumpiang.
orange.
Oo, yung malaki.
Ba kayo, guys?
The inasal. Yung inasal.
Oo! Ang sarap nun! Oh my God!
Tas
I
with
love
suka, no? With suka.
Yeah.
Well,
Are you familiar with those snacks, Waki?
No, I only know Marty's. Yung parang chicharon, di ba?
Like the snacks from childhood.
Oo nga, totoo. Yung vinegar pusit.
Oo,
I know that one, the vinegar pusit. And then may kasamang suka na, di ba, sa packaging.
Yung Jackie Chan.
Wait, may kasamang suka sa packaging?
Yeah, yung squid, may kasamang suka na.
Hindi, yung vinegar pusit. Yung vinegar pusit na ano ba, yung tig 1 peso, 2 peso
It's
lang.
like orange, di ba? Orange siya.
No, it's pink.
Pink.
I haven't heard that before, Waki.
Hindi,
So,
te. Yung,
no, it's in a plastic. It's,
No.
it's like squid flavored na thing, and then there's kasamang.
that's,
I'm not crazy. Di ko in-imagine to, promise. Totoo to.
that's social na vinegar puset.
Wait, what? I don't think
Meron, okay guys, sabi nila dito meron. So, sige. Meron.
Tattoo sign. Oh my God.
Yeah, that's the orange circle, di ba?
Yeah.
Meron pa,
Okay, you know
Mr.
that.
Noodle. Yung
Mr.
noodle?
Noodle.
I don't know if yung noodle, yung kinakain mo siya, as in literal na noodle,
Is that a noodle? Yung parang
Noodle?
canton, gano'n?
parang,
Noodle?
siya? Guys, please help me.
Muda crunch?
Nuda crunch.
Food the
Yun!
crunch.
Ah.
Hindi ko alam yun. Ano
Oh my God, wait. Ako, dati yung talagang favorite ko, Nuda crunch talaga.
V-cut with rice. Ang lala ng V-cut
Uy,
with
that's so
rice, ah.
good.
Yung sarap.
What about pancit with lots of cheese?
Wait, anong,
Pancit with lots of cheese.
Miss Anne?
ano luto ng pansit?
Oishi na maanghang with rice. Oh my God.
Okay, G.
You know, I like eating oishi na maanghang with caldereta.
You're so weird, babe. That's crazy.
When our ulam is like caldereta or afritada, ganon, I always buy the oishi na maanghang and I put it on the side and I eat that while I'm eating the caldereta and afritada.
Oh my God, totoo nga.
Nilaga na may tomato paste is pochero.
Ano to, guys? Kasi sa Iloilo, walang tomato paste yung pochero namin. tuyong mantika and rice. Grabe, oil and do people eat oil, salt, and rice?
Yeah, parang magiging adobo ata siya.
Huh?
Ay, no, hindi pala.
Hindi, pang, ano yun, pang
ba
walang
natin
budget, ganun.
Oo, mga walang budget.
Parang like, parang nagiging adobo siya. Like yung oil, toyo, tapos
Lay.
Ata?
Oo nga.
rice, toyo, mantiga. O yung nagiging adobo siya.
Pero siguro ito yung pinaka weird combo na I actually eat all the time. It's ano talaga. Sa sardines and mayonnaise. Guys, try nyo. Alam mo, gagawa ko ng video. Super sarap, guys. So, try nyo.
Like ako pinaka-go-to ko talaga. Like na pagkain. For example, walang makain dito. Like rice, tapos suka, toyo. That's it.
Ako din, toyo. Toyo ako din.
Suka, toyo. That's it. As in, wala na. No question asked. Suka,
Kasi
toyo.
bang snack talaga is lemon.
Si Ellie talaga, guys, 'di ba sa bar, yung chaser palagi sa mga alak is lemon. Kinakain ni Elise. Hindi siya nag-shot, kinakain niya yung lemon.
Yeah, tapos
Kailangan namin mag-order ng bagong plate ng lemon palagi. Kasi
Pag
yun yung
nasa-
pulutan ni Ellie.
pag nasa bahay naman ako, lemon, salt, and it's either chili or tahin.
Tahin. Wow
Sarap yung
naman.
tahin. Sarap yung tahin.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm hungry na.
Mag-titray na.
Guys, sadly food. Guys, malapit na ako mag-90k, oh. Baka naman.
Congrats.
Baka naman this live, ipa 90k niyo ako, please. If ipa 90k niyo ako this live.
Coffee and rice.
Yes, pwede yun. Pwede yun. Sarap nun. Spaghetti and rice.
Pancit canton and rice.
Spaghetti and rice.
Pancit canton and rice is crazy. That's crazy. Spanish sardines. Basta yung nasa oil na buo pa yung sardinas. Naka-glass.
I like
Diba yung sardines sa glass container?
Sopas and rice. Yeah, I love that. Sopas and rice.
Sopas and rice pwede. Sai and rice.
Waki and sai, pwede.
Ang galing ah.
Anyway, I like carbonara and rice.
Minus 10 points. Minus 10 points.
Carbonara and rice.
You know what? Okay, controversial opinion ulit. I hate carbonara. I'm not a carbonara. And I don't like aglio olio, yung oil-based na pasta. Na feel ko walang lasa yun. Like, di ko gets yung aglio olio lovers. Like, you're literally eating pasta and oil, bro.
Okay, fine.
How can you enjoy? Diba?
It's the way. It's how it's cooked.
Like, you're eating pasta and oil.
Oh my God. Are you...
Di ko gets. Pero I love red pastas talaga. Siguro yung white pasta na I like is if authentic yung carbonara. Like, ayoko yung carbonara na cream. Na like yung fake na cream. I love ano
I
talaga.
only like the carbonara of my mom.
I like the authentic carbonara.
She cooks it. Pesto, I like pesto.
I love pesto.
I don't like red pasta.
You don't like bolognese, pomodoros, like classic
Marinara?
spaghetti?
No.
Oo ba? Bro.
I love
I
pasta
love
over
red
with
pasta.
wine, like mga bongole. Ganun.
Can't relate.
I don't like din. I don't like vongole. I don't like seafood pastas too. Truffle pasta actually pwede.
I like seafood
I love
pasta.
truffle pasta.
Truffle pasta din. Yeah.
Well, do you guys like ito? May tanong ako. Pineapple on pizza.
Yeah,
Yes.
Diba?
sarap.
Love pineapple on
I
pizza.
grew up eating Hawaiian pizza talaga.
Sad daw si Cutie. Ang daming comments dito. Guys, but sad si Cutie?
Truffle pasta is the best.
Invite ko kaya si Cutie, pero naka-invitation off siya.
I don't like the Jollibee pasta.
Oh! Wait, which one?
Don't like Jollibee spaghetti.
You don't like it? -20, Ellie. Oh my God.
You know, Ellie, you're out of the game now. -1.
Yeah, okay
No,
na.
it's just that I don't like spaghetti in general.
That's
Oh my God.
crazy.
Because again, I am a carbonara lover. I don't like red pasta nga. So I don't like spaghetti.
Best Charlie Chan ng Yellow
Hello,
Cab.
Cab!
Oh.
my God!
Okay Tay talaga yung love ko for Charlie Chan sa Yellow Cab and Jollibee Spaghetti. Yun yung top 1 ko.
Charlie Chan ng Yellow Cab is
Charlie
the
Chan ng Yellow Cab, so good, bro.
yeah.
The best. The best.
Charlie Chan ng Yellow Cab is the best. Just parang papart na naman siya ng sriracha na wing.
Yes! Oh, I love sriracha. Oh, that's so good.